This model is designed to give a closer and better understanding of the basic ideas behind the phases of the moon and why we see different shapes. Obviously, we can just look at a picture like this or a GIF and see it, but what is science without using your hands? To make this, you only really need two things: a bright light and a ball with a stick shoved through the bottom. Now, while I would normally recommend jamming a dowel rod into a styrofoam ball, under the present conditions, this is the best I could do. Now, you have your moon here, and your sun, so I guess you're good. Oh, wait, I forgot. You also need an aspiring scientist to help represent us here on Earth. So, thinking of your room like points on this circle, place your sun at 90 degrees pointing into the room just above head level. You'll also need to make it really dark so you can see clear shadows. Now, all you'll have to do is place your scientists in the center of your circle facing 0 degrees and have them slowly rotate counterclockwise, keeping the moon extended out at eye level. As they slowly rotate, ask them if they see anything familiar. Maybe they've seen some of these shapes in the sky. Because the light is hitting them at an angle, they will be able to see the different phases of the moon right in front of their eyes, as seen by the northern hemisphere. But remember, if you want to see what the southern hemisphere looks like, just rotate in the opposite direction. Here are some images using my model of what they should be seeing. See how the light plays against the ball to create the shadows? And that's how you can demonstrate the phases of the moon using only a few things. Also, remember, please don't look at the light. Safe sciencing.